In this video, I will show how to create group in Canva. So a very simple way. We can see these all are separate, and you want to make and I need to make them as a group. So easy way. Firstly, guys, you need to select these all. Now press Ctrl G. It's a shortcut to make this as a group. Here you can change color. And once you click on as a group, you can change color in just one click. You want to change individual, so in group select any particular object, and you can make changes here. Thanks for watching.